Good day, everybody. My name is Carson Ifa. Thank you for joining me today. I've got exciting news and important news to share with you all. Starting January 1st, 2026, I'll be focusing more on Chuukese language, Chuukese culture, and what it means to be a Chuukese in the States, especially in real life settings. I'll be glancing over at my notes on the side, so if my eyes go veer off, that's the reason. So, for those who don't know me, I'm Chuukese, a paramedic, a father, and someone who deeply believes that language is identity. Over the past few months and years, I would say, I've received lots of messages. People asking me, can you translate this from English to Chuukese? How do you say this medical phrase in Chuukese? Can you help explain this to my parents? Can you teach Chuukese in a way that makes sense? That told me something, and that people or our people want to learn the language, and our language needs the visibility, and healthcare communication matters. So, moving forward, here's what you can expect. Chuukese language in healthcare. I'll be posting videos that cover medical and emergency phrases in Chuukese, how to communicate with your patients in regards to, like, for example, pain, symptoms, and needs. EMS and hospital scenarios to explain step by step how you can communicate with your patients, or helping healthcare workers and families understand each other better. This is especially for Chuukese patients, families, interpreters, healthcare workers, and anyone serving Pacific or Chuukese Islanders, Chuukese especially. For Chuukese language, it's not going to be everything medical. I'll be sharing everyday English translation, Chuukese translation, common phrases used at home, in church, in the community, and pronunciation help. Cultural context, and not just words but meaning. Real life scenarios, I'll walk through emergency situations like visiting clinics, hospital conversations, family, caregiving moments, all explained in hopefully a way that is respectful, clear, and real. Community driven content will be not just me talking at you. I'll be taking translation requests, questions from the community, topics that y'all want to cover. If there's something you've always wanted to know how to say in Chuukese, this will be your space. Being Chuukese or being Pacific Islander, yes, I've always talked about what it means to be Chuukese today, and I want to talk about that more. Our identity, our values, our responsibility to pass on the language is vital. Because if we don't speak it, if we don't teach it, I'm afraid we will lose it, and we are at risk of losing it. If you're Chuukese, you're Pacific Islander, healthcare worker, or someone who simply wants to learn Chuukese, follow, share, send your request in. This is just the beginning. So I'm excited, I'm committed, and I'm very thankful to walk this journey with you. Kinisou chapur, and I'll see you in the next video. Y'all take care, be safe wherever, whatever you're doing.